Hello. Do you want your English to sound more natural? You want to be fluent in speaking English? You need adverbs then. Now, what are adverbs? An adverb modifies a verb. Add, verb, adjective, or another adverb. Adverbs tell how, when, where, how often, or to what extent something happens. Let's look at a few examples. She runs quickly. How does she run? She's a fast runner. She runs quickly. We will leave tomorrow. When will we leave? Tomorrow. He looked everywhere. Where? Everywhere. She's very happy. To what extent? Okay? Which word is the adverb in the sentence? He speaks loudly. Okay? There are three choices. He speaks and loudly. Which one is an adverb? It's loudly, right? Very good. So there are adverbs of manner in English that answers the question how. Describe how an action is done. For example, quickly, slowly, beautifully, carefully, easily, quietly, badly, gracefully. Now notice something interesting. All of these words have a ly ending, ly, in a way that is. So slowly means in a way that is slow. Now, pick the adverb of manner in the sentence. She painted the picture beautifully. Which one do you think is an adverb? Beautifully, right? She painted the how. How did she paint it? She painted it beautifully. So that's an adverb of manner. There are adverbs of time in English also, okay, that tell when something happens. Like now, yesterday, tomorrow, today, recently, soon, later, already, yet. Okay? Identify the adverbs of time. He will arrive tomorrow. Which one do you think is the adverb in this sentence? It's tomorrow. When will he arrive? You say, oh, he will arrive tomorrow. So tomorrow is an adverb. Okay? Make a sentence using any time adverb, such as yesterday, tomorrow, today, soon, okay, later. So make a sentence and use just one time adverb, just for practice. It's good for your practice. Okay, adverbs of place, where an action happens, like where is she? Or she's here, or he is there, everywhere, nowhere. Let's do a quick exercise to understand this. She looked everywhere for her keys. Where? Where did she look? Can you tell? That's an easy answer, right? She looked everywhere. I looked everywhere for my keys, for my car keys, and I couldn't find them. So these often answer the question, where, as I said before. Okay, so everywhere is the adverb in the sentence, she looked everywhere. Okay, adverbs of frequency. How often does something happen? That's the question that these adverbs answer. How often does an action happen? Always, usually, often, sometimes. It happens sometimes. Seldom, rarely, never, frequently, occasionally. Now, in this sentence, I usually drink coffee in the morning. Which word is the adverb of frequency? Can you tell? Usually, right? I drink. How often do you drink? Usually, I drink coffee in the morning, not in the afternoon, usually in the morning. Now, make a sentence using seldom or frequently. Now, keep in mind that these adverbs usually go before, okay, the main verb. Like, I usually drink. I sometimes smoke. Yeah? Very good. Next up, adverbs of degree. How much? To what extent? Now, these adverbs of degree, they show the intensity or extent of an action. Adjective or another adverb. How often something happens, right? How much and to what extent? Because remember, it's about degree. Very, to, almost, nearly, extremely, quiet, fairly, hardly, completely. So identify the adverb of degree in this sentence. She is extremely talented. Which one is an adverb you think? She is extremely talented. Can you tell? Extremely is the adverb of degree in this sentence. These answer how much or to what extent, right? Like how talented is she? She's extremely talented. I mean, in spoken English, people could say she is very talented. Okay, now let's try all different types. There are 7 sentences I need you to read carefully. I have highlighted the adverbs for you. She sings beautifully. We'll meet tomorrow. He looked everywhere. I always eat breakfast. She's very tired. They rarely watch TV. He ran quickly to the store. All right? Can you tell which type of adverbs these are? She sings beautifully. Manner. How does she sing? Oh, she is such a beautiful singer. She sings beautifully. We'll meet tomorrow. When? That's time. 3, he looked everywhere. Place. I always eat breakfast. I never skip breakfast. That's the first thing I do in the morning. I always eat breakfast. Frequency. How often? Right? She's very tired. Very. It's an adverb of degree. They rarely watch TV. They don't watch TV. They don't they read. They talk, but they don't watch TV. Frequency. How often? He ran quickly to the store. How did he run? Quickly. Manner. Okay? So I am going to leave you with a comment challenge. Carefully, quickly, there, yesterday, completely, usually. These are the adverbs, and you need to fill in the blanks using all of them. Okay? Have fun doing this activity. Be sure to write your answers in the comments, and I will read them. I read them personally, and I'll respond to you too. So do your best. All right? I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Work hard.